Yep.
Thanks, sir.
Ladies and gentlemen, joining me now in Tiger T's place, the hot boy himself, Dax Xander.
First off, let's get it right. It's the hot boy, Dax Xander.
My bad. We got an injury update from Tiger T earlier with him when he joined me. Do we get an injury update from you?
You know what? I will give you an injury update. 4 more days, and I get my cast off. From then on out, I will be back in that ring better than ever.
Just in time to make your return in Timpson, Texas, your hometown.
That's right, the homecoming for Dax Xander. I will be there in action in the T, baby.
Can you bear it? Timpson, Texas, February 24th.
Timpson Middle School, be there, baby.
Now, the semifinals of the tag team tournament recommences right here with the ones who matter, Sean Cordova, Corey Summers, and the Sons of Plunder, Thane Ironbelly, and Warhammer. The winners of this matchup will take on the Buddy System in the finals, and the winner of that match will be crowned our new tag team champions after the Storm Chasers unfortunately had to vacate due to injury.
You know, a lot of good teams in this tournament, but we, the Hot Boys, should have defeated the ones who don't matter. Unfortunately for us, I think it was Corey Summers, yeah. He injured my arm. Did anybody else see that? He is the reason for our defeat. Totally not fair.
And that match, a surprise return from Corey Summers. Perhaps, you know.
Throw me for a loop.
Throw both of you for a loop. Corey Summers and Sean Cordova, both recent returns here at League of Lions, but it doesn't seem that they missed a step. Thane Ironbelly just stepping aside as Corey Summers comes off the top rope. And a massive suplex by the much bigger, much more powerful man, Thane Ironbelly.
Back and forth here early. It looks like the Sons of Plunder are getting the upper hand here.
I think it's extremely clear that the Sons of Plunder will have the strength advantage as they hoist Corey Summers up. Oh!
My goodness.
But what?
Holy crap.
I'm not sure what to call that from Warhammer.
The Warhammer Special.
A very athletic maneuver followed by a very brutal maneuver from Warhammer. Hooking both legs. Trying to advance in this tournament by any means necessary. As I was saying, the strength advantage firmly with the Sons of Plunder, but the experience advantage firmly with the ones who matter.
Definitely could say that, but they've both been out of action for quite a while. However, they are in the semifinals here, so let's see how they do. By luck, I might add.
Well, with the Hot Boys unfortunately not advancing to the semifinals, what's next for the Hot Boys?
You know, I would usually tell you, however, we have some top secret Hot Boy business we're handling at the moment.
A bit of an uncharacteristic move from Chris Preston, offering a handshake to Aaron Storm after that fantastic matchup.
Absolutely. Interesting to say the least. That's all I'm going to say on that.
Oh, Corey Summers appears to be doing more damage to himself, hitting that iron belly.
A lot of people try to take out that belly. I believe a 0% chance for everyone so far.
And you have to wonder, with Corey Summers being out of action for a little over a year, everything that you take in the ring without the repetition, being used to regular competition, it's just that much more painful. You have to wonder how much of it Corey Summers can take this soon from his return, as he's choked in the corner by Warhammer.
Painful indeed, but on top of that, here's cover here by Warhammer. Corey Summers can't seem to get the edge here.
Absolutely not. Sons of Plunder staying right on top of the ones who matter.
Roll up here.
Beautiful roll up, almost letting Corey Summers get away with it.
But he's a good distance from his tag team partner. Tag. Here comes Cordova. And
oh, beautiful double drop kick from the ones who matter.
Close kick out. Corey Summers seems shaken up in the corner.
Another tag, quick tags by the ones who matter at the moment. Beautiful splash from the top rope from Corey Summers. And another quick tag. And another great splash from the top rope.
2 back-to-back splashes. I think they stole that from me.
They did not do the rope walk that you do, though.
I mean, nobody can do that. Let's be honest. They would most definitely fall on their old.
A little extra flair from a hot boy, right?
Absolutely nailed it.
Sean Cordova trapped in the corner once again by the Sons of Plunder. Being taken up to the top rope. Nothing good can come from this from really anybody. You have to wonder why people actually attempt this. Big double hammer from the top rope and then taking a swing at Iron Belly. But a jawbreaker puts the Sons of Plunders right back in control.
Tag to Thorn Iron Belly. Cordova looks like a tag. It stopped.
It's like one step forward and two steps back for the ones who matter tonight.
Yep, can't seem to get the edge.
The Sons of Plunder seem to be in a whole nother gear than they have been so far. The brutalness, the intensity, they've definitely stepped it up a notch tonight. But as I say that, a splash missed from Thane Iron Belly.
But capitalizes right back.
Veteran maneuver, keeping Sean Cordova from his partner.
From one tag team to another, I would say the Suns have been looking very dominant here in the last few months.
Once again, a kick to the Iron Belly, just punishing his opponent.
Can't seem to get the edge on Iron Belly.
Cordova can't power Iron Belly into the ropes.
Looks for a roll-up.
What? Goes for the roll-up.
Can't get it.
And Iron Belly powers him up.
Oh, wow.
Thrown into the corner. And thrown across the ring with a massive heel toss.
Just manhandled there. Pin here.
Sean Cordova just barely getting his shoulder up.
Once again, keeping the distance over there from his tag partner. Smart here by the Sons of Plunder.
Keeping the fresh man in. Isolating one of their opponents.
I wonder if the Sons of Plunder would want to join us in a Hot Boy party. Do you think?
I mean, they definitely bring the grog everywhere they go.
Oh, for sure.
You think you're ready for the grog?
I don't know about that all. I don't know about all that. They might scare away the females though. I can't be having that.
That's true.
With their beards and
Very
black eyes.
Very intimidating appearance from the Sons of Plunder.
Sean Cordova with the DDT. Referee got the count.
That DDT seeming to reset this match a little bit as both men struggling to their feet.
Both looking to make a tag here. It looks like tag down right. Tag.
Double tags.
And here comes Sean.
Corey Summers.
Corey. Oh.
Seeming to get the worst of this exchange.
Diving drop kick. Takes Thorn down. But back to his feet quickly.
Corey pounding Thane Iron Belly.
I'll tell you what, those hurt. Those Summers forearms are rough. The belly here just seems an unfair advantage, and the ones who matter can't get over this hump. Cordova spills to the outside.
Beautiful maneuver from the Sons of Plunder.
3D there.
And that's a 3 count. The Sons of Plunder advance to the finals of the tag team tournament.
No. Referee says
no.
two.
Larry Grimes waving it off.
It must have been a 2.999.
We've seen this before, though. Dropping Corey Summers right on the iron belly. And that's the 3 count.
Referee's mistake doesn't matter. Same result.
The Sons of Plunder. Vikings, it's time to fight.